If you want to change the background of a photo in CapCut, this video is going to make it super simple. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to layer your media, remove the old background, and place a new one behind your subject so it looks clean and professional. This is a great trick for thumbnails, social media posts, edits, and creative design projects, and the best part is that you can do it right inside CapCut PC without needing advanced editing skills. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy edit. Now let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your computer and start a new project. Once you're inside the editor, the first thing you need to do is import both of your files, your subject photo and the new background you want to use. Your subject photo is the image where the person or object is already visible, and your new background can be another photo or even a video if you want a more dynamic look. After both files are imported, drag your new background down onto track 1. Track 1 is the bottom layer, so this is where your replacement background needs to sit. Then take your subject photo and drag it onto track 2, directly above the background. This layer order is very important because the image on the top track will be the one you edit and remove the background from, while the bottom track will show through behind it. Now click on the subject photo on track 2 so it becomes highlighted. Once it is selected, look at the editing panel in the top right corner of the CapCut interface. Here, you want to navigate to video and then find Remove BG. In some older versions of CapCut, this feature may be called Cutout, but the function is the same. This is the tool that lets you separate the subject from the original background. Next, check the box for auto removal. CapCut's AI will process the image and automatically detect the human subject in your photo. In just a moment, it will remove the old background and make it transparent, which allows your new background on track 1 to show through underneath. This is the fastest and easiest way to change a photo background in CapCut, especially if your subject is clearly visible and easy for the AI to identify. If you're using a free account, you may also have access to the custom removal brush. That's useful if the AI does not perfectly cut out your subject or if you want to manually refine the result. With the brush tool, you can mark the area you want to keep and adjust the selection more precisely. This gives you a very similar effect, and it can help when the image has hair, hands, or complicated edges that need a little extra cleanup. Once the background is removed, take a moment to check how everything looks in the preview window. If your subject needs to be resized or repositioned, you can click the preview player and adjust it until it sits naturally over the new background. You may want to move the subject slightly left or right, or scale it up or down depending on the composition you want. The goal is to make the subject look like it actually belongs in the new scene. Then, make sure your background matches the full length of your photo. If the background is too short, just drag the edges of the background clip on track 1 until it lines up with the exact duration of your subject photo. That way, your background stays visible the entire time and there are no awkward cutoffs. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can change the background of any photo in CapCut and create a much more polished edit. Whether you're making content for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or just improving personal photos, this method saves time and gives you a professional result fast. If this tutorial helped you, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's learning CapCut too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.